presentation.
Welcome to my crib. Come on in. So, this is the Pink Palace. This is my room, and here's my tour. So, when you first walk in, of course, you see all the enormous space I have. But we're going to start over here. So, over here, I have my shelf. This is where I keep all my purses. As you can see, I have a lot of purses, and my favorite color is pink. So, of course, I have so many pink purses. The next shelf, my other purse, of course, my Louis Vuitton, and of course my really good decor, plus my Barbie Stanley, plus my Lego flower vase. And then everything below is my hair stuff, including the stuff over here. And there's my trash can. My bed. Oh wait, my vanity. Sorry. This is my vanity. I got it off Amazon. Can you believe that this is off Amazon? I can't believe it. Hey y'all. Good afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. And I have some stuff I need to do today. So I thought I technically wanted to do this weekend. But I don't know if I want to put it into one big thing or if I just wanted it to be separate. However, I have not eaten all day, so I'm going to eat something. I'm really just going to have some yogurt and some granola. Because we got lots of options to choose from. I don't know which one I want. I've been eating dairy-free yogurt. So we got cherry, strawberry, peach, and mango. I think I want strawberry today. This is gonna be considered breakfast till I decide to figure out what I'm going to eat for real instead of for fake. I need to go to the store to get some stuff. I have a list of stuff. I need to go to Meijer and I need to go to Old Navy. Because I need a shirt from Old Navy and I need some meal prep glasses from Meijer. And I need some immunity shots. So that is today's agenda. I do not have work today, but I do have work Friday and Saturday. I'm home Sunday because it is Mother's Day. Yeah, I'm so excited. Say hi, Lux. Say hi. Yeah, period. Wagon still. Okay, so I got my to-do. Maybe I got my to-do list for today. Okay, so here's what we got. So I need to go to my Old Navy. I was gonna go to Kava, but it's giving Kav not. Probably go to Chick-fil-A and give me a salad because I just been eating salad lately. At least for lunch. I make dinner later, and I gotta figure out what I'm getting for dinner. I was gonna go to Kava because it's healthy, but I'm just getting me a Chick-fil-A salad. That's literally what I've been getting. I'm probably getting me some fruit on the side. I'm trying to give y'all the OOTD, but it's nothing really crazy. Just some jeans and my black shirt. Okay. Let me order my Chick-fil-A. 12-count grilled nugget meal with sweet and spicy sriracha. For my side, some fruit. And for my drink, okay, I'm back. I got my Chick-fil-A. My Chick-fil-A. I already know what I got. The grilled nuggets. I'm very sad. I cleaned it up well, but still hurt my feelings. My nuggets. fruit. Okay, y'all, we in my ear.
Loves me. And that's all I.
Okay, I'm back home and I'm about to cook. So I'm about to make taco salad, and at the same time that I'm making stuff for tacos, I'm gonna be meal prepping. So yeah. Okay, this is everything that I got from the store. I'm gonna do my picture. So y'all, let me show y'all. This is how I take my pictures. I put it on 16:19, and this is gonna be for my thumbnail. This is how I do it. Okay, I start off with my meat, and I'm making turkey and I'm making shrimp. Shrimp for me, turkey's for everybody else. Okay, so I put my taco meat in the thing. My shrimp, I'm gonna put in some water so they can thaw a little bit, and I'm also gonna put some cinnamon in there because I'm gonna have a cinnamon salad this week. But okay. Okay, so my turkey meat is cooking. My shrimps are the first. I have to peel them. They be so spicy. Let's go. Excuse me. But here it is. I gotta peel them, and so I'm gonna peel them, and then yeah. Okay, so I prepped my salad. I only got 3, which is good because that should last me Friday, Saturday, Monday. So I'm getting something else on Sunday. So this is all for Friday, Saturday, Monday. Yeah. My turkey meat is done. It's in here. And here's my shrimp. It's not cooked. So we're about to cook it. This the chicken that I used is from Sam's Club. It's just already cooked chicken. And it's Italian herb grilled chicken breast. So yeah, just put
songs at the
start with the shrimp. I crisp them because that's how I like mine. Okay, about to get ready to go to the gym. About to put some pants on. Okay, about to go to the gym. I don't think I have nowhere to put y'all till I get a car stand. So, about to be on my way to the gym. Can I go? I can. I caught y'all. Okay, before I get in the shower, I came to tell y'all how some of the stuff I got from the store. First things first, mouthwash. That was on my list. I got some other Vegas, so I can't show y'all that. But I can show y'all the floss that I got. After that, those need to go in my car. And then the shirt I got on, I really love like the feel and the quality. So I basically got two more, one in white, and I got another one in black. Literally same, like, yeah. But I got a white one. Probably gonna go back and get some more, not gonna lie. Because these shirts are tea.
Every single thing, man, I'm all in. It's like I took the fender, yes, it's one way to tell me that you bitch. You're dead to me, does mistakes make a hurt. Don't you forget it, get the blessing of that.
And it always would, and you'd always be disappointed, cause you're insecure. Got a girl at home, but you calling me. Okay, I'm about to refresh this because I'm running one more day.
And then can I add American cheese?
So I'm gonna show you how I refresh my hair. Refresh, which is just slicking it back down. Gonna give Lux a treat before that. Good boy. Here you go. She got that. So we don't see eye to eye. Every bitch we eat from, you make there's a pie. Me time on the crowd when I'm I need my big one. Bitch, I'm going big. I'm sexy now. This ain't me, my final. Everything's no shit. Before my bitch right now, the life still bleed. Okay, we have made it to our destination. It is hot, so I'm not gonna wear my jacket. Not vibing with that. No, can't wait it being hot. like not how to know to in my jacket. Okay, I'm going into Barnes and Nobles because I be reading Bridgerton and I want the next book. And I thought about it as soon as I pulled up. So I'm copying all of these. One, they're cute. And two, I need to read them. And I didn't come here for this, so this was a bad idea, but I'm getting all three. And Ulta I go. Oh, period. Okay, we're in Ulta. Oh. Have a list of things. I wonder if they got the okay, we're at the station and we're up with gas. Okay, I found two of the things I'm looking for. The next one is NARS. Ooh. This is the skincare. I don't know. Okay, so I got that. I got that. Got that. Why is giving it's about to rain? It rained yesterday. Okay, we went to Ulta, spent way more money than we were supposed to in Ulta, but you know, it's just cloudy. We're off to get a bra. They were leaving because I spent way more money than I was supposed to in this area, and that's naughty. Hey y'all, thank y'all for watching this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this video look was slow, like all over the place, and the editing was like, but we're working on it. But this video was taken in April and May because I added the little lost files at the end. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one next Sunday, and I'll see y'all at 10 a.m. on the 25th.